Welcome, from me is a CUBOT R15 Pro, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, let's pop off the cover. So there is a little bit of a space where you can use our fingernail just to pry off the cover. I would suggest you being a little bit gentle, just so you don't break the cover. It's flimsy plastic, so keep that in mind. Now once you take it off, you will see that you have access to two different SIM trays and one SD tray. So you can occupy one of each, or two SIM tray and one SD card, however you like. Now when it comes down to placing it, as you just seen, that's how you put in the SD card, like so. And then in terms of SIM card, again, slide it facing down like this. And if we flip it over, SIM card is already working based on the fact that we need to input a SIM pin. So I'm going to put that in and update preferences SIM card, no. So obviously SIM card is working and there is SD card as well. So both of them are working fine. And that is how you insert it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.